Let's make a speedy Greek-inspired chicken burger in our air fryer that's so great it'll make you say, Opa! We're gonna make some chicken burgers in my air fryer. Gonna give them a bit of a Greek vibe. So I've got a pound of ground chicken in here, and I wanna chop up just a little bit of garlic and oregano. You can use dried oregano. This is from my herb garden, Greek oregano. You can smell it, it smells so good. That goes in there. You can use a couple cloves, one clove, however your garlic affinity lies. I do love garlic, but I'm gonna speed it up with just one fat clove, and I'm going to grate it in, dust it in. A teaspoon of salt, a couple dashes of Worcestershire. I want a fat tablespoon of mayo going in there. That's probably about a 3-ounce chunk, 2 to 3 ounces of feta. I don't want to overmix it because, as you know, that makes the meat tough. So I just want to mix it enough to bring it all together. Scallions to this too, just for a little nice, mild, oniony flavor. Just plop onto my parchment that I'm going to add to the air fryer. And I'm just gonna have mine with salad. I'm not gonna do a bun, but you could do a bun, and you could do a really cool, like a whipped feta dressing for these. I'm just gonna put these in the basket of my air fryer, and these will probably take 10 minutes. I'm gonna guess 10 to 12 minutes. Out of the air fryer, it took 12 minutes. And look at that. Take a tiny bite, because usually I take a Mondo bite and then I can't talk for 2 minutes. Oh yeah. Those are good. They're so moist, and to get chicken or turkey as a moist burger is a task, but I think between the mayo and the feta, I just made the perfect combination, and the flavors in there, the oregano, the feta. That is so delicious. So delicious, and then a little bit of Worcestershire just gives it a certain something that nobody really knows what it is, but it really adds to the flavor. So there's your chicken burger. Fabulous.